All right, this is the third video, and this little problem turned into quite an interesting problem, but it was the 1.6.43. There's already two videos out there, the one where I solved it using the substitution method, and then the other one where we check the answers. And now this is going to be labeled the third video, and I mentioned this when I did the first video, but I'm going to show it as the third video. All right, so here we go. So, and this one's going to be short. If you've gotten bored watching the other two, hang with me. So this is that same little problem, 1.6.43. This is the third video. Now, I told you when I first looked at this problem, and they said that substitution stuff, I thought, you know, this ain't nothing more than a trinomial. And I know when I factor a trinomial, I get two binomials. And then I know if I get two binomials, I can set them equal to 0 and use the zero product property and find the value of the x's. So I said, okay, let me try to do a little trial and error factoring. So I tried 5 times 5, and I tried to get 6 times 6, and then I tried 5 times 5, and then 9 times 4, and then I was going to fiddle around here with 12 times 3, and then I got a little frustrated, and I finally said, hey, I'm just not seeing the forest for the trees. So I said, let's use 25x squared times x squared, which comes back, I'm falling now, 25x to the 4th. 25x squared times minus 1, which is minus 25x squared, and a minus 36x squared gives me minus 61x squared, and a minus times a plus gives me plus 36. Boom! Then I said, set these equal to 0, and mash down, and you get x equal plus or minus 1, and x equal plus or minus 6/5. Well, I'll be darned. That is the answer we got when we went through that substitution thing, which is confusing. So anyhow, there's your one more shot at this little problem. Let me turn back so you can see what I did one more time when I did my little trial and error factoring job here on this. All right, so it took me a couple of pairs to figure it out. And so sometimes the answer is not obvious, but if you stay with it long enough, you may eventually figure it out.